Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can catch this Runic Axolotl in Fish It. So the Runic Axolotl is a total game changer. With its glowing runes and mythical aura, this creature is incredibly hard to find, and this is one of the legendary tiger fish inside the ancient ruin. So I'm going to show you the location where I got this one the most. So for the locations in here, you can just here in the ancient ruin, just go down and go to this spots right here in this corner right here. And I'm using my best road, the element road with the singularity bait as the bobber. And if you have one, you can also use the luck totem or luck potion. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.